List of tools: power drill, tape measure, hammer, saw, masking tape. Step 1. Cut two boards for the top and bottom 50 cm by 80 cm. Step 2. Cut two boards for the sides 50 cm by 1 cm. Step 3. Cut a board of thin wood for the back. Screw the boards together. Step 4. Cut a board half the width of the cabinet for a door. Screw the door and two concealed hinges to the rest of the cabinet. Repeat for the other door. Step 6. Nail two shelf pins to each side for each shelf. Step 7. Cut the shelves to fit the inside of the cabinet. Step 8. Screw the door handles to the doors. Step 9. Screw cabinet feet to the bottom.